Okay, y'all, so I'm at the Lumen and I'm taking just a nice view here of their fitness center. It is large. Wow, huge, huge fitness center. Look at this. It's monstrous. This is a big plus. Great fitness center. There's your cardio, all your cardio machines over here. We all know how important that is. And they do have a separate studio that's over there too. So it's at the very, very end over there. Really, really nice. But look at all this equipment. This is, oh, and they've got that terrible Jacob's ladder. I hate that machine. It's really good, y'all. It's just, I hate it. I can't do it. But look at this. This is amazing. This stands out. This is better than a lot of high-rise apartments. Their gym is very kicking. I love weights, and I love all the extra weight and all the other equipment that they have here. This is stupendous. So fantastic gym, A+ gym.